Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101, where this week we're looking at car insurance and how to find you the perfect policy for your needs. Now, if you have recently purchased a car or are thinking about buying an automobile in the near future, then you're going to need insurance. Unfortunately, there are many options out there, and some car insurance products are not going to be suitable for every need. For example, the owner of a 1993 Honda CR-V is not going to need or want to pay for a comprehensive policy, while a brand new Tesla will likely want more expensive cover. Now, in order to register a vehicle to operate on public roads in Hong Kong, you must prove to the Transport Department that you have obtained motor insurance for the vehicle. Without obtaining insurance, you will be unable to register your automobile. Now, operating a vehicle, including motor-powered bicycles and skateboards, on public roads in Hong Kong without first registering it incurs a fine of no more than 5,000 Hong Kong dollars and 3 months imprisonment upon the first offense. Under the law, a minimum amount of 100 million Hong Kong dollars is to be covered in respect of the policyholder's liability towards third-party damage or injury. Furthermore, the ordinance mandates that the insurance is issued by a quote unquote authorized insurer in Hong Kong. As such, it is important that you obtain only from an authorized insurance company your car insurance policy. This is very important. If you obtain car insurance for a company that is not authorized to carry on business in Hong Kong, then your insurance does not satisfy the registration requirements mandated by the Hong Kong government. You also have to ensure that any policy you obtain while being provided by an authorized insurer has to cover at least $100 million for any single accident you may have which results in death or bodily injury to a third party. While the minimum level of coverage required by the Hong Kong government regulates coverage only against bodily injury, Hong Kong car insurance products normally include property damage as well. In fact, the most commonly form of car insurance in Hong Kong is third-party property damage. This will give you $100 million for coverage towards your third-party liability in respect to death or bodily injury, and normally around 2 million Hong Kong dollars in respect for your liability to third-party property damage. This represents the basic option for car insurance in Hong Kong, and as such, depending on your driving history and the details of your car, is normally the cheapest. But what if you're not looking for the cheapest possible policy on offer? Maybe you've purchased a brand new car and after paying all that tax have decided to protect your new purchase properly. Well, also containing the legally required third-party death and bodily injury coverage, comprehensive car insurance plans include extended protection against accidental loss or damage to your vehicle. While mechanical failures and breakdowns are not included in the protection of comprehensive car insurance products, the fact that broad protection against accidental loss or damage is provided allows for far more coverage than a simple third-party only car insurance policy. However, there are variables that can come into play here and materially impact and increase your insurance premium outside of the coverage you are receiving under the plan. And these variables can have a significant impact on the cost of your insurance to the extent that it may not make owning a vehicle financially viable. From the driver's age to the age of the car, with all the different options and variables that are associated with car insurance in Hong Kong, either with third-party or comprehensive coverage, it can be difficult to know exactly what policy is right for your needs. At CCW Global, we work with more than 60 leading Hong Kong and international insurance companies, and our experience with the Hong Kong insurance market means that we have answers to all of your questions. With a variety of different car insurance underwriters and myriad options when it comes to finding you the best possible policy, CCW Global will walk you through your choices in a no obligation, no cost discussion about what works for you. That's us for this week. We hope you have a happy Chinese New Year. Kung Hei Fat Choi to all of our customers, please have a prosperous and healthy weekend and remember to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.